Here I have Nokia C12, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then you should switch to the SD card, tap on three dots here, select Storage Settings, and then tap Format. And after that select Format SD card. And after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.